Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
This video I am going to share latest job openings in Salem location. It is from Tamil Nadu. Let us discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening for marketing executive position. It is from Vsource company located in Salem, Tamil Nadu, India. So coming to responsibilities, cold call people using a given phone directory and to sell products or solicit donations, and you need to answer incoming calls from prospective customers, and you need to use scripts to provide information about products features, prices, etc., and present their benefits, and you need to ask pertinent questions to understand the customer's requirements, and persuade the customer to buy by demonstrating how merchandise or services meet their needs, and you need to record the customer's personal information accurately in a computer system, and you need to deal with complaints or doubts to safeguard the company's reputation, and go the extra mile to meet sales quota and facilitate future plan sales, and you need to keep records of calls and sales and record useful information. So these are the responsibilities, and coming to requirements, you should be having proven experience as a telemarketer or similar sales or customer service role, and proven track record of successfully meeting sales quotas preferably over the phone, and you should be having working knowledge of relevant computer programs, example CRM software and telephone systems, and also the candidate should be having excellent communication and presentation skills, and the candidate should be proficient in English and skilled in negotiation and dealing with complaints, persistent and results oriented, and the candidate should be patient and able to handle customer rejection, and he should have done high school diploma and or a BSc or BA is a plus. So graduation is also is a plus, added advantage to apply for this marketing executive position. So interested candidates, please go through with the information provided here, and if you want to apply for this position, and in order to know more detailed information about this job opening, you can visit the official website link. It will be available in the description for your reference, so you can have a look on the description for the website link to apply for this marketing executive position. Next one, there is a job opening for develop operations engineer position. It is from Myologic Solutions Private Limited located in Salem, Tamil Nadu. So you should be having 3 to 5 years of experience to apply for this position, and salary is as per the company standards. So coming to key skills, you should be having experience in working on Linux based infrastructure, and you should be having excellent understanding of Ruby, Python, Perl and Java, and also configuration and managing databases such as MySQL and Mongo, and also excellent troubleshooting skills are required, and you should be having knowledge in working of various tools and open source technologies and cloud services, and also awareness of critical concepts in develop operations and agile principles. So these are the key skills required to apply for this position, and coming to roles and responsibilities, understanding customer requirements and project KPIs, and implementing various development, testing, automation tools and IT infrastructure, and also planning the team structure, activities and involvement in project management activities, managing stakeholders and external interfaces, and setting up tools and required infrastructure, and defining and setting development, test, release, update and support processes for DevOps operation, and have the technical skills to review, verify and validate the software code developed in the project. So these are the roles and responsibilities. So in order to apply for this position, you can visit in the official website link. It will be available in the description. So you can have a look in the description for the website link to apply for this position. Next one, there is a job opening for assistant surveyor position. It is from Geo Exploration and Mining Solution located in Salem, Tamil Nadu. So they are looking for fresher candidates for total station and TGPS survey in all districts of Tamil Nadu. So eligible qualification is ITI survey, diploma in civil engineering. So these candidates are eligible to apply for this assistant surveyor position. So interested candidates, if you want to apply for this position, you can visit in the official website link. It will be available in the description in the video. So you can have a look on the description to apply for this job. Next one, there is a job opening for young professional 2 position. It is from Tanuvas, located in Salem, Tamil Nadu. So salary will be 35,000 rupees per month for this position, and only one vacancy is available for this position, and so experience will be 1 to 3 years. Qualification will be BVSC, and last date for application process is 11th May 2021, and selection will be based on either written exam or interview. So it is from Veterinary University Training and Research Center located in Salem. So if you want to know more detailed information about this job opening, you can visit in the official website link. It will be available in the description for your reference. So you can have a look on the description to apply for this position. Next one, there is a job opening for proofreader position. It is from tamiltips.com. So it is from Tamil Tips, located in Salem. So leading news and media company is hiring fresher or experienced candidates for the position of proofreader. And to apply for this position, some of the skills are required, like you should be strong in Tamil language, either in reading and writing, and the candidate should have a creative thinking. So it is a full-time job. So fresher candidates and as well as experienced candidates both are eligible to apply for this proofreader position. So in order to apply for this position, or else if you want to know other detailed information about this job opening, you can visit in the official website link. It will be available in the description for your reference. Next one, there is a job opening for MIS executive position. It is from Pixrock VFX, located in Salem. So coming to job description, some of the skills are mentioned here, like you should be having excellent knowledge of MS Excel and excellent typing, including speed and accuracy, and attention to detail, dashboard, compilation of data, and also you should be having good written and verbal communication skills. So qualification will be any graduation. So you should be having at least 1 year of experience as a Miss Executive position. So interested candidates, if you have any queries regarding this job opening, or else if you want to know other detailed information, or else if you want to apply for this position, you can visit in the website link provided in the description. So I'm going to provide that link in the description for your reference. You can have a look in the description for the website to apply for this position. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members, and also subscribe the channel for more updated videos. And also please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.